the first edition. And I had no money. Eh, alam nyo, yung mga publisher, they will only publish your book if they think they will make money. Business ang publication, publishers, Central Books, even National Bookstore, puro yan pera. Ito sa businesses di ba? For profit. So, I have no money, I had no sponsor. Nag-apply ako sa UP because I joined UP full-time. Part-time muna when I came back with my master's degree, 62 to 65. I was a psychiatric social worker. Thank you. Did you scream and sugar?
Black mo mainit.
Hindi daw. Pero meron siya.
Para mainit-init dito.
Hindi na.
Uy.
So,
Uy. Uy.
1960 to 65, I was a psychiatric social worker at the Philippine Mental Health Association. Then in 65, I was invited by UP to join the faculty. 65, I retired optional at 1999. I was 60 years old. I retired, so 26 years ago, at the age of 60. So 1980, I decided I have to write a book on social work. Because lahat ng libro namin, made in America, puro America. Pati history, walang history ng social work. Nothing, puro America talaga. And I look back with due respect to my former teachers. I never learned about social functioning. Parang social welfare and social services. But not professional social work. 1953 to 1957. So hindi pa masyadong conscious ang mga faculty din ng siguro. Hindi ko lang alam, maka casework. Talagang casework ang focus eh. We were not even taught the problem solving approach the way I just mentioned to you yung five steps. Hindi din sinasabi. Para bang understood na ina-assume nila na alam na namin na scientific method you to assess before you define and solve the problem. Natuto kami ng psychoanalytic theories. We all learn about Freud. In ego, puro na lang kami in ego, super ego. When you come on time, you are egoistic, you're the ego. And very quickly in the super ego. If you're late, id. Self-oriented. Mga ganun ba? If sobra na lang conscious mo, lahat na lang tama, you know not want to make a mistake, super ego naman. Yung ganyan, nagbibiruan na lang kami, no? But those are the things we learn. So 1980, I applied 78, 79 for a sabbatical leave. A sabbatical leave usually is given to a faculty member who after at least 7 years of teaching can apply. Sabbat is 7 days, di ba? 7 years of teaching full-time can apply, and if qualified, ano yung plan mo, magbibigay ka ng proposal what you're going to do. So I submitted a proposal. I wanted to write a book on social work, saying that there was no book written by any Filipino that can be used as a basic reference for social work students.